Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Business Profile not publicly visible. But first, check our special offer and description. So let's get started. So if your business profile here is not visible to the public yet, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, the first thing that you need to understand here is Google Business Portfolios is a way for people to find your business online, especially in Google, since again, Google is widely known and a lot of people, a lot of potential customers actually use it. Now, the thing with this ones is in order for your profile to be visible, you need to build some form of trust. Now, just to give you an idea, I'm already accessing one of my profiles here, and maybe I want to get this verified here. Now, like what I said, you need to build some trust in your profile, especially building trust with Google. Now, to build trust with Google here, or to build trust for your business to Google, you need to make sure that all details and information is actually provided on your profile. So you want to go and click on edit profile here on your current profile. So again, I'm currently in my profile. You want to go to the about section, provide the business name, category here if you can, add some description, opening date, and whatsoever. So add all the necessary information. So once you've added all the information here, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you verify your account. Now, verifying your account here or your business is a great way for you to, a great way for Google to verify that, hey, this business is actually real and people can actually reach out or see that actual business. So getting verified here is quite easy. You just need to click on get verified in the button I see here on your business, or if you go to your business profile manager, you should see the get verified option as well. But yeah, once you click on get verified here, you should be able to see this one. So what you need to do is first you need to provide your address here. And once you provide your address, you should now see the option to select the way for you to get verified. Now, first option here that you could do is by taking a video or recording a video of your business. So usually, this would take around like a few minutes, around 10 minutes here. So you need to start from the very front of your business, like the front storefront of your business, and you want to go ahead and just video it at the front, and then you want to go inside and video the insides of your store. So just to verify that your business is actually a real one. Now, if you click on more options, in some cases, you'll have other options here like verifying through a mobile number or an email here. It depends on where you are and depends on what type of business you are. But yeah, so once you click on next here, you just need to make sure that you follow the business, recording your business details here. Like this actually depends on Google. So I would highly recommend you to read their instructions here, like the 3 requirements for continuous recording. Again, continuous, no cuts, just one whole continuous in this case, recording. Now, from here, you can go and click on start recording, or you can change your options from here. But yeah, once you've sent your video to Google, it will take around like maybe like a whole day or 2 days. Depends on them. They would start reviewing your profile. But once they've actually reviewed that and they verified your business is actually real, your business should now be listed and now visible to the public on Google. But yeah, currently this is the only way for you to get your business publicly visible, especially information here. Just make sure everything is correct and added. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.